For 30 years, Alivio Medical Center has been providing healthcare services to those who need it the most: the uninsured, the working poor, those that do not have access to healthcare due to language and cultural barriers, and those that are intimidated by traditional healthcare institutions because of their immigration status.
Our people were getting sick, had no insurance, the doctors didn't understand them, they were undocumented, they had no trust, and had fear of the institutions that they were going to, and so many of them decided not to get any medical help.
Alivio Medical Center was the longtime dream and vision of Carmen Velasquez, a social worker and community organizer. Carmen approaches Dr. Ann Garcelin and Sister Sheila of Mercy Hospital to join her cause.
And each of us absolutely knows the need for healthcare delivery in the Mexican community. I from my own experience in my practice, Carmen from her community development work, and Sister Sheila. We just had not developed the vehicle to deliver.
And one day Dr. Garcelin came into my office and said, "Why aren't you doing more with the Hispanics?" And I said, I wish we could, but we need help. We need help to relate. And she said, "I'm just the person for you." Before I knew it, Dr. Garcelin came in with Carmen Velasquez, and in some ways you could say, and the rest is history.
Over the past 30 years, Alivio has been serving patients regardless of their ability to pay or their immigration status with bilingual, bicultural providers.
Si hablan mi idioma, que es muy importante para mí, que me puedan entender, que tengamos esa comunicación y saber que me están entendiendo y que yo las pueda entender también a ellas.
Alivio's services include adult medicine consisting of primary care and diabetes screening, prenatal care including obstetrics and gynecology, health care for infants, children, adolescents, and young adults, comprehensive dental care for children with state-of-the-art imaging, educational services that include nutrition and cooking classes, and a variety of other health topics. A full-service pharmacy that offers reduced-price medications to Alivio patients. In partnership with the Mexican Consulate of Chicago, Alivio's mobile care unit services the hard-to-reach populations with exams and screenings. Senior care at Pilsen's Casa Maravilla provides benefits enrollment services, case management, fitness programs, dance classes, free lunch, and safe space for socialization. What began 30 years ago as one clinic has grown to 3 freestanding community health centers, a walk-in wellness clinic, and 3 school-based health clinics. Continuing its mission of service to the underinsured, Alivio has opened its doors to the neighboring Chinatown community, providing them with access to affordable health care and employing Chinese bilingual, bicultural providers. And recently, Alivio was awarded the National Quality Leader Award and the Health Center Quality Leader Award, placing them with Best Overall Clinical Performance among all health centers in Illinois. For over 30 years, Alivio has been a beacon of hope for health and wellness, and the success of Alivio can be seen on the faces of its patients and their families. Alivio continues to build upon the vision of our founders and remains committed to responding to the needs of its patients and community with the kindness, dignity, and respect they deserve.
Aquí en Alivio encuentro todos los servicios que yo necesito para mi familia. No me ven como paciente, sino como una persona ya de su familia. Estoy muy agradecida. Gracias, Alivio.
Alivio Medical Center, for 30 years, serving those who need it the most.